Hello guys, this is Sunny. Today we are going to use this hot chamber die casting machine to trial our mold. And today we are going to use 200 turn die casting machine. Let's see. 200 turn hot chamber die casting machine. First, we need to fix the mold onto the die casting machine. These are the Zamak ingot we are using. This is the 200-ton die casting machine we are using. Hot chamber Zamak die casting machine. Mold trial. Material is Zamak 3. After we finish the mold, we need to submit die casting samples to our customers. Quantity as customers' requirements. After finishing the mold trial, we remove the mold from the die casting machine and open the mold to see the cavity. Okay, thanks for watching. This is your mold expert, Sunny from Yontone. See you next time.